Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising important topics in psychology for first BHMS students. And this topic number 37 is personality. The word personality is derived from the Latin word persona, which means mask. The study of personality can be undertaken as the study of masks that people wear. We'll define personality. The personality is a dynamic organization within an individual of those psychophysical systems that determine an individual's characteristic behavior and thought. This is what the WHO defines psychology. Some of the fundamental characteristics of personality include the behavior tendencies, intellectual qualities, emotional disposition, and adaptation to environment. There are no two persons are exactly the same, not even the identical twins. Some people are anxious, some are risk-taking, some are phlegmatic, some highly strung, some are confident, some are shy, and some are quiet and some are loquacious. The issue of differences is fundamental to the study of personality. The theories of personality, there are numerous theories, and these different theories tell us about how personality develops, and some of them are as under the type theories. It is the early perspective on personality. These theories suggest that there are limited number of personality types which are related to biological influence. We have example like four temperament system of Galen based on the four humor model of Hippocrates. Type A and Type B personality types, which were proposed by cardiologist Mayer Friedman and Ray Rossman. Second is the trait theory. It is also known as dispositional theory also. Gordon Allport was an early pioneer in the study of traits. Trait theories viewed personality as a result of internal characteristics that are genetically based. The traits can be defined as habitual pattern of behavior, thought, and emotion. Next type or next variety of personality type is the psychodynamic theories. Psychodynamic theories of personality are heavily influenced by the work of Sigmund Freud and emphasizes the influence of unconscious on personality. Psychodynamic theories include Sigmund Freud's psychosexual stages of development and Erik Erikson's stages of psychosocial development. There are fourth type, the behavioral type. Behavioral theory suggests that a personality is a result of interaction between the individual and the environment. Behavioral theories study observable and measurable behaviors. Behavioral theorists include B.F. Skinner and John Watson. Then we come across the fifth type, the humanistic theories. Humanistic theories emphasize that the importance of free will and individual experiences in the development of personality is very, very foremost. Humanist theories include Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow. Bibliography. We have taken up help of these particular sites for developing this small talk. Thank you very much for patient listening.